Hey besties, I'm back with another video. I am Sho Nicole if you are new here, and if you are not, thank you because all of your love and your support is greatly appreciated, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you a basic way to rejuvenate your skin right at home using the most simplest products. If you're a girly who has limited access or just don't want to spend a whole lot of money on skincare, I'm going to show you how to do a basic facial at home for glass skin. Let's go. So today I am going to dermaplane my face because it has been some months before I did it, and I'm actually going to double cleanse. I'm going to cleanse my face first, then I'm going to remove that, and then I'm going to go in with an oil base so that I can dermaplane my face and get it all squeaky clean and get the peach fuzz off of my face, because I don't care what nobody says, when you dermaplane your face it looks 10 times better. Like your makeup applications, your products are able to just penetrate into your skin barrier more. And yeah, so I'm going to go in first with my bar soap from my very own skincare brand, which is the turmeric massage bar. I have been using it like crazy, so it is almost gone. However, I'm just showing you guys what I use to get my skin from crusty, dusty to glistening skin. So this is the turmeric massage bar that I will be using in my double cleanse of this video, and this is my cucumber refresher bar that I also make for myself from scratch, and I formulate all of my products on my own. So for my double cleanse I'm going to use these 2 bars of soap, but in your facial and in your cleansing part of your skincare routine, you want to make sure that you are getting skincare products that are solely dedicated to your skin or your skin needs. Me, I do greatly suffer from hyperpigmentation, which is why it's also important to use sunscreen as a part of your skincare routine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start off with this first cleanse, and I am going to go in with something gentle, so I will start off by using the cucumber refresher bar. And as you can see, honey, the skin bar lathers are great because don't play. I take my time when I make my skincare products. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that first initial cleanse. Cleansing your face, you want to make sure that you're not rushing. You should be spending anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes working in your skincare product, because you really want those skincare products to really penetrate in the skin. Also want to make sure you're always cleansing your eyebrows as well. Brows do hold dirt and oil, so sometimes when you are doing your brows for like makeup and you may feel like, dang, like my brows are not turning out right, that's because you need to cleanse them. So now that I am done with the first step in my cleansing process, I am going to let this sit for maybe about a minute, and then we're going to rinse this off and go ahead and hop into the dermaplane. Set a timer for 1 minute. Once your 1 minute is up, you want to go ahead and cleanse your face. Now, me personally, and some people actually dermaplane their face dry. Personally, me, no, because I need to saturate my face in order to get a clean dermaplane. You always want to make sure that you take a clean brow razor. You can get these from your local beauty supply store, and make sure you use an oil base to dermaplane your face. And I can already tell the difference in my skin, because my skin was super dry because I haven't really been taking care of my skin like I should lately. But yeah, let's do it. don't normally do my mustache, but I'm going to today because I don't have all of my products to wax. So we gotta do what we gotta do, okay? I'm gonna take this. Make sure you're holding your skin taut so that you won't cut yourself and you're not leaving scratches. So I like to go downward and do this. So
to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
So now I'm just going to use one just to remove the oil off of my face before my second cleanse. So yucky. This is why you should be washing your face twice sometimes. A double cleanse will never hurt your skincare. So now I'm going to go in with my turmeric massage bar soap. The little bulbs on the ends of the soap can be used for exfoliation. I'm going to use the back side of the soap so that I'm not putting too much pressure or just causing too much damage to my skin barrier, being that I have already taken away that first layer of peach fuzz and skin off of my base. Here we're gonna cleanse.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Now that we have gotten through our double cleanse phase and the dermaplane phase, I am going to go ahead and go into my mask phase. I'm going to be using mask that's going to promote that natural glow, and I also need to just rejuvenate my skin because it has been a long time since I have given myself a facial, and it's just much needed. And I am going to show you where I got these masks from. It was actually sponsored by a company a few months ago, and I'm super excited because I absolutely love their clay mask. So for today's video, we are going to be using the L'Oreal face mask. I absolutely love this kit, and I have 2 of the 4 clay masks that comes in this kit. I absolutely love it. It's not expensive at all, and I will link the website in my description box below so that you can check out their clay mask and see if it help you on your journey to clear and glowy skin today. Since I am going to use a double mask method, I think that I am going to go ahead and go with the Renew Collagen Boosting Clay Mask, because baby, we want the skin right. And like, you can already tell a difference. You would think that I have a filter on my camera settings, but I don't. Like, look at my skin. Go back and look at my skin in the beginning and look at it now. Come on, you can't make this up. Start dermaplaning. So this is the mask I'm going to use, and it comes with a little cute spatula. Like, I love little cute skincare stuff. I think that's where my daughter gets that stuff from. A silicone spatula instead of the other little stuff that can hold all that bacteria, and you don't want to constantly put that on your face, honestly. So I'm just gonna take some of this mask and apply it to my face. Okay, so now as you can see, it's more vibrant, like it has my face red. So the 7 minutes is up. I'm about to go ahead and get this off of my face, and we're about to go ahead and get into the sheet mask once I do that, and then moisturizer because I gotta get dressed because baby, I'm outside this Saturday. I'm just gonna use a disposable sponge. Oh, I got a little dizzy. I need to, have I eaten today? I don't think so. Yes, I did. I ate breakfast. It just don't feel like I ate anything. I'm glad it didn't leave like a red cast. Getting this off, and my face literally feels like it can breathe. I know when I go outside and I get the air on my face, it's gonna be crazy. Alright, and being that I'm gonna go in the sun, I gotta make sure that I use my sunscreen. But I did receive these masks from a shop off of TikTok shop. They did send this to me as well a few months back, and I will make sure to put these in the link as well because I want to say like 5 or 6 came in a pack, honey. And they be having a lot of product on their mask. Baby, I love a good sheet mask. And it is recommended that you leave this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes in order to soak in all the nutrients. So you know what to do. I'm back outside. Nigga done made me mad. Okay, so being that I'm kind of in a rush, I am gonna cut the time short for this mask, honey. Look at all that product. Look at the skin though. Rub this in. And another thing that I need to get me is a gua sha to sculpt my face and my cheekbones. Like, I think I have good cheekbones, but I feel like my face can be more structured. Pharmacy TXA 3% toner. Holy Grail. I have been using this for about a month and a half now, and I love it. My skin tone. That's why I'm heavily protected with the SPF. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Kiehl's serum. And this is the skin after the serum. I do recommend finding you a great acid that's going to target the skin conditions that you have. And for me, it's salicylic acid. We're gonna go in with our moisturizer, the Eucerin moisturizer. My face look 1,000 times better. And my Holy Grail, baby, I need to get some more because I'm almost out. The Hawaiian Tropic oil-free sunscreen lotion, weightless hydration face, 12-hour moisture. They did not lie. And yes, you need this much. Did you see all the stuff that I used on my face? Absolutely. And that's how you go from overly dry skin to glass skin. So after my sunscreen, I am going to go in with my e.l.f. lip balm and Squeeze Me. I got this from Ulta and it was not expensive at all. Mwah. Yes, honey. Let's get into it. Until next time, besties.